at this beauty. So we're gonna go in with Unity, Glambition, Walk the Walk, Ruby Revolution, Talk the Talk, and potentially Work of Heart, because I still want it to be within the natural ordeal. But yeah, let's see what we create. All right, so the look for today is going to be a grown woman, soft makeup, enigmatic look. Yes, I made it up, because something that I've realized is a lot of people are going back and forth like, this is not soft glam, this is. First of all, it's so mixed up now. Let's keep it a stock. Like, yeah, it's no going back. And even the people that do categorize themselves as like soft glam, they're still playing with certain things, but it still qualifies as soft glam. Neither here nor there. This is my look, okay? So when I think of soft glam, I think of enhancing what you naturally have, correcting your imperfections, but playing with what you naturally have. So my lids, I typically go in and where I see it's darker, so I know like up in there I'll do a darker. Okay, this comes from glasses. I know it's light up in here, so of course I'm going to use my light up in there. So like if I did like Alright, so this L'Oreal mattifying primer, bomb. You could get it from CVS, Target, Walmart. If you go to CVS, typically they'll have a coupon, spend 20, get $5 off. If you look in the paper, you'll see probably like a $3, $4 off coupon. Any L'Oreal product, probably 2 now, because you know, everybody's dropping down or going up, either or. This is really good. I apply it all over. It's just very cohesive with the routine I did in regards to the collagen plumped, and then I add that moisture as a barrier, and then I apply this all over my face, and it just is very cohesive with one another. And then for my brows, I'll even add it like all over, or I'll put this on my brows, and it just helps everything stay in a place. Your brows ever get like that little oily feel or something? These two will just keep them on point. All right, so now I'm just gonna lightly, I'm just being light, because you wanna fill in the spots with the imperfections. Sorry, y'all, I'm cracking. I'm a hairstylist, so I get a pad. So see how it's like a sheer coat on there? It just like, like cream, like light fluffy shea, like if you just like graze it, that's what it feels like once you're finished everything. I hold down corners, and whatever extra product, if you have, I didn't really drag it down because I'm not dragging it down. I just can't. I can't even do it. Try something new. Going to mix this with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and sculpt this out in the last little bit. When I start dragging it down, I'm gonna add this to it so it can give it a nice natural highlight. Play, you guys, just play, because you'll stumble across different techniques, you know, like different, like, oh, okay. So once again, it'll give a natural like glow. You guys what I'm saying? And if it's not enough, you could just lightly just graze a tad bit of highlight underneath there. Like, I don't know. When I use the makeup, I'm thinking of like, how can I like neutralize it as much as possible to make it come off as natural as possible? If that makes sense. Alright, so this is the NC42 over my lids. I know how my lids look. It's in my head. I'ma still go through and do everything the way I planned on doing it in regards to making it look natural as possible, but I just perfected that, and wherever I had dark spots at, I just went and put it over there and just buffed it out. Alright, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with Unity, and this brush, you know, yeah, what is this called? This is called blurring brush. I'm still gonna go in with it. looking at it and I want something like tight, even though it says blurring, but it's like tight to me, so where I can stipple it in and then go back and forth. So literally I'm gonna drag. I'm gonna drag this in. Ooh, and that is coming up rather dark. So guess what? I went in the mid-range just to be on the safe side. See, I went right in the middle, so just in case it didn't come out the way I wanted it to come out, I could blend it into something lighter. I played it safe, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna go in. All right, so I left this open because I'm not for sure what I want to do. I think I'm gonna go in with the idle eyes over it lightly and then tap maybe gold setter on it, or that one's a hard one. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Dream big, but neither here nor there. I'm gonna take the talk, and I'm just going right here, right up in here, right underneath that. What the hell's the name? Unity. So we got 3 colors on in there. Go over here, do the same goddamn thing. Okay, so I literally just take a little bit, I place it on the cap. This is this Morphe translucent rich, and where I place that foundation at, just tap that on in there. Don't worry, it's all gonna make sense eventually. Just a little bit. Even if you didn't contour, this is something you could do. And don't worry, don't get scared. It's all going to blend in at the end, okay? Don't get scared. Don't get scared. And you could even carve out your nose with it if you want to. All right, so now for my blush, I'm going to use Work of Art. I'm just gonna just lightly tap it. Just lightly tap it. And it is starting to light up, but I don't feel like it. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. And then one more time. Because we have OCD. Okay, so we did that. And I'm feeling kind of froggy, so I'm gonna go in with one tap of the Ruby Revolution. Alright, so I did splash a tad bit of the Work of Art. Just tap it. And then just tap. Okay. Now we're gonna go with our all over powder, dark tan. We're gonna swoosh that in there. Where we have the blush, we're just gonna just push it in. Because if we sweep, we're going to drag. And now we're just trying to blend everything out from those 2 translucent powders. Sorry, y'all. So because this is the Grown Woman edition, I like, I see some purple, but it's literally just the pinks and browns from that palette. My lips, Sweet Tea, Pink Plaid by MAC. And then I went in with this limited edition, like, baby pastel pink with glitter. It was so beautiful. I got it a long time ago. But that's what's on my lips. So I'm gonna get my edges together, lay everything down, throw some pearls on, and then take some selfies. The lashes are by Ardell Mega Volume 259. Alright, it's the end of our photo shoot. So let's get Alright, y'all, I'm serious. Alright.